Auto darkening helmets come in a wide variety. Okay, they all have different features. Some have what is called a fixed or a passive lens, where it only has one specific shade when the light does activate the auto darkening feature. Now, how do auto darkening lids work? Well, they're normally solar powered, as you can see from this and from here. They'll have photo cells or some kind of cell receptors that are going to read the arc light. And then, of course, your lens is right here. Now, the lens at rest is going to be roughly about a 4 shade. That's about as dark or a little darker than your average sunglasses. That means you can have the hood down, you can set up, you can look through the glass, and you're gonna be able to see what you're doing. But as soon as you press and hold down the trigger, when the arc initiates, the photo sensors pick it up, and it goes immediately to whatever it's set to on the side or inside the glass. This model would be really good for light MIG use if you're arcing a couple of dozen times a month. But let's say you're arcing a couple of dozen times a day. This model here gives you more options in regards to how the lens actually works. As you can see, it has a larger lens. It gives you more field of vision when you are welding. But it also has more sensors. This has photo sensors and radio wave sensors that will pick up the radio waves actually coming off of the arc frequency. Now, this also will have more features. It'll have features for grinding and cutting. When at rest, the resting shade for this particular shield will also be lower. That gives you more vision of your start and your positioning when you're setting up. So if you are planning on doing anything that has a lot more welding involved in it, I would go with something higher end. But just for practice and getting started, you can get something on the lower end. Okay, this will work fine for you.